Hi! In front of me is an Android 13 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location of this device. You need to start by opening tab menu and looking for location icon. When you find it, click on it. Then, in this pop-up, to switch off location, select close. So when I do that and go back, I can see that location of my Android is now off. But you can always turn it back on by tapping on the same icon again. If you want to, you can also go into settings and look for location section over here. When you find it, click on it and tap on this switcher to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!